Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching my video today. I appreciate your time and support. In today's video, I want to share with you how to convert your tattooing inks into a digital color palette so that way you can create mock-ups to show your clients what your tattoo is going to look like before you actually tattoo. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Creating a color palette is actually super simple. You're going to want to start with the colors that you're going to create the palette from and some light to light them up to get the truest tone of the color. To convert this into a digital color palette, I'm going to be using my iPad and I'm going to be using Procreate. So this is going to be done within Procreate on the iPad, just to confirm. Okay, so the first place I'm going to begin to convert these tattooing inks into a digital palette is I'm going to want to get a white paper. It can be any white paper. This is going to be from a composition journal, and I'm just using the back here because it is a thicker paper. I don't want the ink to bleed through. Then what I'm going to do with the Mummy tattooing ink is I'm going to get each and every color and just place a drop all the way down. For those who are curious, I am using Mummy tattooing ink to make a digital palette. I'm going to start with the light red, and all I'm going to want to do is just do a dot like that. I'm going to repeat the process with all of the colors here until I've completed them all. I want to make sure that they're evenly spaced. I don't want the inks bleeding into one another. The reason why I'm putting them all on a white paper is because I want there to be a white background to get the truest color and tone, because the way that we're going to do this, it's real precise and it'll pick up all the pigments that are available. So I want to extract the colors and put them on a white paper. This doesn't require much tattoo ink at all. You can just kind of put one drop and that's more than enough. Once we put all of our inks out, the next step is to open up Procreate and open up a blank session. And that's all we have to do right now. There are two ways that we can go about converting this palette right here into a digital palette. We can do the first way, which is we hit this colored circle up here, and then it brings up this color wheel. On this bottom section, we're going to want to select palettes, and then from here what we can do is select this little plus. Right here we're greeted with a few options. We can do new from camera, new from file, or new from photos. The first way that you can go about doing this is you could just take a picture and convert it right from your camera. But you're going to notice that I'm not able to get all of the colors on here. So this application will work for some palettes depending on how you're converting. But for this specific application, it's not really going to work, as I'm not going to be able to get all the colors in one go. So a way around that is I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to go back to the top. I'm going to select new from photos. I'm going to select the first photo. I took a picture of this, and you can see that it literally just dropped in this entire color palette right here. And then from here, I can color or rename these into Mummy Colored Tattoo Ink. So that way I know where this came from. Done. Now I'm free to use any of these colors that I just showed you all that came from my tattoos in a digital format. From here, I can select any of these colors and begin utilizing it the way that I normally would, as if I were tattooing, but just in digital format. And every single color is there. And they're actually very accurate. It's all going to depend on the lighting. The lighting is really going to determine how true they are to the actual color. But you can see they're all there and ready to be used. And that right there is really all there is to it. You can do this with any color. It doesn't just have to be tattooing ink. You can do it with crayons, color pencils. If you see a color out on the road that you like, let's say on a street sign, you can take a picture of that color and convert any color that you can see into a digital color palette to use for your tattooing. It really is that easy to convert any color that you see with your eyes into a digital color palette so that you can use within your art. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below. below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate your time. Thank you for your support. You have a great day.